Welcome to Compare to Win. The best tractor tire is probably one of the most critical components for any agricultural operation, directly impacting your machine's performance, fuel efficiency, and overall productivity in the field, ensuring you can tackle demanding tasks from plowing and planting to hauling and harvesting with unwavering reliability and optimal traction across diverse terrains, ultimately saving you time and money while maximizing your farm's output. Number 5. Horseshoe 16x 6.50-8 Super Trac ATV Trencher Tires. Introducing the Horseshoe Super Trac tires. They are brand new, never installed, and not retread, ensuring top quality right out of the box. These are specifically designed as 16x 6.50-8 AG tractor and commercial lawn riding tires. They are built for various demanding applications. They fit a vast range of popular brands, including John Deere, Toro, Husqvarna, and many more. This makes them a versatile choice for your equipment. Constructed with a premium 6-ply rating and Super Duty C load, they offer exceptional durability. They can handle a maximum load of 600 pounds at 28 psi. Featuring a tubeless design and a deep 17 mm tread depth, these tires provide superior traction and reliability. They are perfect for your ATV, lawn mower, or garden tractor. Made from high-quality rubber nylon bias material, they are engineered for long-lasting performance. This ensures resistance to wear and tear. What we like. This tire is brand new and never installed, ensuring top quality and performance right out of the box. With its 6-ply Super Duty construction, it offers excellent durability and load capacity. If you need a versatile tire for your ATV, lawn mower, or garden tractor, this is a robust and reliable choice. What people say. Number 4. MARASTAR 21446-2 PK Lawn Mower Tire and Wheel Assembly. Tired of worn-out lawn mower tires? Keeping your riding mower in top shape is essential for a beautiful lawn. This assembly offers a perfect solution for a smooth and efficient cut every time. Meet the MARASTAR 21446-2 PK, a complete tire and wheel assembly designed for your riding lawn mower. It comes as a convenient 2-pack, ready to transform your mowing experience. Featuring the market-leading Turf Saver tread, these tires provide excellent traction without damaging your lawn. Their flat profile and chevron design ensure a turf-friendly performance. Crafted with a 4-ply rating and contractor-grade oil-infused bushings, this assembly is built to last. It includes a grease fitting for easy maintenance and extended durability in any conditions. Designed as a direct replacement for Craftsman and Husqvarna riding lawn mowers, installation is a breeze. This 2-pack offers a low-hassle, low-cost solution to get you back to mowing quickly. What we like. This product comes as a complete tire and wheel assembly, making replacement incredibly convenient. Its Turf Saver tread design provides excellent traction while being gentle on your lawn. If you are looking for a low-hassle, easy-install solution for your riding lawn mower, this 2-pack offers great value and performance. What people say. Number 3. Marathon 16x 6.50-8 Flat Free Tire. Tired of flats interrupting your work? Discover the Marathon 16x 6.50-8 Flat Free Tire, engineered for reliability and performance. It's designed to keep you moving without interruption. Made from solid, non-marking polyurethane foam, this tire offers the same feel and handling as an air-filled one. However, it's guaranteed to never go flat, providing ultimate peace of mind. It measures 16x 6.50-8, with a 15.8-inch diameter and 5.9-inch width. Always check your current tire's sidewall and measurements to ensure it's the right replacement. Refer to our guide for easy measurement. It comes mounted on a white steel rim, featuring a 3-inch centered hub. Equipped with 3 4-inch commercial-grade, oil-infused bushings, it ensures smooth operation and longevity. It boasts a robust load capacity of 400 pounds. The turf tread design provides an excellent balance of traction and maneuverability, making it ideal for various terrains. This is the perfect replacement for your lawn mower's tire. Please note, it is not designed for highway speeds, ensuring optimal performance for its intended use. What we like. The standout feature of this tire is its flat-free design, made from solid polyurethane foam, guaranteeing you'll never have to deal with a flat again. It still provides the feel and handling of an air-filled tire, but with unmatched reliability. If you are tired of punctures and want a maintenance-free option for your lawn mower, this is the perfect choice. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Number 2. Carlisle Trac Chief i3 Industrial Tire -12.4 to 16. Introducing the Carlisle Trac Chief i3 Industrial Tire, designed for robust performance. This tire is built to handle demanding industrial applications with ease. Please note, this offering includes the tire only. Rims are not part of this package, allowing you flexibility for your specific needs. Experience impressive strength with a substantial load capacity of 2,340. It ensures reliable support for heavy loads, enhancing your operational efficiency. With package dimensions of 12.9 h x 37.2 l x 37.2 w inches, it's designed for practical handling. Its size makes it manageable for transport and installation. Weighing 80 pounds, this tire combines durability with manageable weight. Proudly manufactured in the United States, it guarantees quality and craftsmanship. What we like. This is a heavy-duty industrial tire designed for demanding tasks. It boasts an impressive load capacity of 2,340 pounds, making it suitable for significant weight. If you require extreme durability and high load-bearing capabilities for industrial applications, this tire is built to handle the toughest jobs. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points can be extracted. No reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points can be extracted. Number 1. N12 Horseshoe 6.00 to 1610 ply F2 tractor tires. Discover the N12 Horseshoe F2 3-rib Super Duty AG farm tractor tires. These are designed for robust performance on your farm equipment. With a 6.00 to 16 size and a 10 ply E-load rating, they offer superior durability and support for heavy-duty agricultural tasks. You're getting 100% brand new tires, manufactured in 2021. They are not retreads, blems, or factory seconds, ensuring top quality. Each package includes 2 tires and 2 tubes, providing a complete solution for your tractor's front axle. They come with a classic black sidewall. These tires boast an outer diameter of 29.12 inches, a section width of 6.3 inches, and a tread width of 5.85 inches. They are engineered for optimal traction and stability. Built for Super Duty agricultural use, they provide reliable performance in demanding farm environments. Trust them to handle your toughest jobs with ease. What we like. This tire offers exceptional strength with its 10 ply E-load rating, ensuring superior durability and resistance to punctures. The F2 3-rib pattern is specifically designed for excellent steering control and minimal soil disturbance in agricultural settings. If you need a Super Duty tire with maximum ply rating and precise steering for your farm tractor, this option provides robust performance. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source data. Unable to extract points as the source JSON was empty. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.